culture of Indian major carps. Before that, what is meant by carp? Carp means those fishes toothless mouth called the carp. For examples for our syllabus related, Catla, Rohu, Mrigal are the carps means toothless mouths. Example Catla, Rohu, Mrigal. Okay, this is about the definition of carp. The title is that culture of Indian major carps. The next question is that what is meant by Indian major carps? Okay, carps definition toothless mouth. But Indian major carps means those fishes whose native is India. Native is India, which is used for the commercial purpose. Means benefit from that fishes to India also, and all peoples which are living in the India. It's called the commercial purpose. The fishes is used. The Catla is used for the commercial purpose. Rohu is used for the commercial purpose. Mrigal is used for the commercial purpose. That's why the now name is given. That is the Indian major carp. And definition commercial purpose. Okay, right. Within that, yesterday I we completed, that is the biology of review. Today we will see about the biology of Catla. Some aspects, with the help of some aspects, we explain about the biology of Catla. First of all, about the classification of Catla. Phylum Chordata, group Pisces, class Osteichthyes, order Cypriformis, family Cyprinidae, genus Catla, species Catla. This is the classification of Catla. Then next aspects, that is the external characters. 4 to 5 points is sufficient for the external characters. The scientific name of Catla is Catla Catla. Important point, that is it is the fastest growth rate among the other major carps. Among the other major carps, which fishes? Rohu, Mrigal. Within the three fishes, Catla is the fastest growth rate among the major carps. Right? External characters. It is a freshwater fish. Mouth is large and upturned with prominent lips. Yesterday I told that mouth is upturned. It means that the fish is a surface feeder. Mouth is subterminal, column feeder. Mouth is terminal, means bottom feeder. It is depending upon the mouth. Okay. Then body is elongated, broad, barbels are absent. Barbels are absent. Then head is large, having a rounded eye. All are the external characters of Catla. Okay. Color is blackish grey above and silvery on sides. Silvery on sides of the body of the Catla. Caudal fin is bilobed. Next aspects from the biology, that is the food and feeding habit of Catla. Already I told that it is a surface feeder fish. Next, some stages in the fishes, that is the spawn, fry, fingerlings, adult stage. Within that the stage of Catla stage from spawn to fry stage. It feeds upon the phytoplankton. Feeding habit, some different. Spawn to fry stage is feeds upon the phytoplankton. But before that, what is meant by plankton? Planktons means microscopic unicellular plants and animals which are present in water, called the plankton. There are the two planktons, phytoplankton and zooplankton. Okay, plant related phytoplankton, animal related zooplankton. The best way for to the understand. From fingerling to adult stage means next stage of the fish for the purpose of feeding habit. From fingerling to adult stage, it feeds on crustacean and insects. For the observation, scientists and other researchers found that it is a zooplankton animal. As per graph calculation, 60% of zoo and 40% of phytoplankton it feeds. Habit of Catla. Then next aspects of our biology, that is the spawning season. Okay, spawning season and breeding season both are the same. Spawning season of Catla in river from July to September once in a year. Generally from June up to the first week of September, breeding season of Catla. Especially once in a year, it means that the fish is a seasonal breeder. Seasonal breeder once in a year. It breeds in the once in a year. Okay. Then next title, that is the maturity of that fish. Age and size at maturity in fishes is different to climatic and ecological condition, because maturity is depending upon the pituitary gland, depending upon the ecological, depending upon the climatic condition. Catla attain mature within 2 years. Means after the completion of 2 years, Catla mature, male and female. Right? The next aspects, that is the fecundity. Fecundity, before that, what's meant by fecundity? Fecundity means number of eggs laid by female fish per gram its body weight. This is the definition of fecundity. Means depend upon the ovary, depending upon the body, depending upon the length of that fecundity. Fecundity is nothing but the ova, means eggs. Okay. In 5 kg of female Catla, total number of eggs what we found that 4 lakhs ova were formed in 5 kg. Already I told it is the depending upon the weight of and length of the ovary and the fish. According to the Jingran, the scientists observed that in 1963, fecundity of Catla ranges from 2 lakh 30,831 to 42 lakhs 2,250, depending on the length and the weight of ovary of fish. About the fecundity. Then next one, about the growth of fish Catla. At the one of the fastest growing major carps of India, attained 6 feet in length and weight 60 kg. Already told that it is the fast growing fish compared to the rohu, compared to the mrigal. That's why more and more fishermen culture the Catla fish. Okay. In good nursery pond, hatchling of Catla stock at the rate 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare. This is the hatchling or stock procedure of Catla. Catla grow to length 20 to 25 mm in 15 days. Then, according to the Hora, the scientists Hora and Pillay observed that 1962, Catla grow 38 to 45 centimeter 90 gram. That time its weight is the 90 gram. 90 gram is near about the 1 kg at the end of first year. It means that at the end of first year, maybe Catla grows up to the 1 kg. It is the fast growing fish. 4 to 5 kg by the second year and 6 to 7 kg at the end of third year. If you compare to labio, the growing rate of Catla is high than the labio fish. Okay. Then next one, that is the distribution. It is a freshwater fish. It also found in Pakistan, Bangladesh and Burma, means neighbor country distributed. It has been transplanted in Ceylon and Israel also. Ceylon means nothing but the Sri Lanka. This is the distribution point. The last aspects of our biology, that is the economic importance. Why the economically important of Catla? Means important thing is that it is a valuable food fish. It is fast growing fish. That's why economically more benefit than the compared to the other fish. Okay, it is important food fish. It is large, employed for food culture throughout the country. It play an important role of composite fish culture. Means you can culture with Catla, Rohu, Mrigal and other fishes. That's why the point is mentioned that composite fish culture. This is the important thing for the culture of Catla. Okay. Thank you.